Okay, Masi. A person spent 564 rupees in buying pens and pencils. If cost of each pen is 7 rupees and each pencil is 3 rupees, and if the total number of things bought was 108, how many of each type did he buy? So a person spent how much rupees? 564 rupees he spent more in buying pens and pencils. Cost of each pen is 7 rupees and cost of each pencil is 3 rupees is there. So total number of things, how many he bought? Total number of things, both pencils and pens, 108 he bought. So how many each type did he buy? So how many pens he bought, how many pencils he bought, you have to find it. Okay, ma'am. So first what you should do, ma'am? What is given here? Given total money spent. Total money spent. How much? 564 rupees is spent. So we don't know how many pens and how many pencils we don't know. So that's the way we are taking pen as X and number of things. How many he bought? Number of things, total things 108. So total things he bought. Total things he bought equal to 108. Let the number of pens. Let the number of pens equal to X. Now cost of each pen. Cost of each pen is equal to how much? 7 rupees. Okay. Now cost of pens equal to 7 into X, how much? 7X. Okay. Next, another one, pencils. The number of pencils. How many pencils he bought? We don't know. Total things how many? 108. And pens, how many we are taking pens? X. So 108 minus X. Okay. Now cost of each pencil. Cost of each pencil how much? 3 rupees. Now cost of all pencils equal to 3 into 108 minus X. Okay. So 3 into 108. You are done wrong here, Mohan. Multiplication. Okay. 3 8 24. 2 is remaining. 3 zeros 0 plus 2. 2. 3 1 3. Minus 3 into X how much? 3X. Okay. So cost of pencil how much? 324 minus 3X. Now by the problem. What is the problem? Now cost of pens plus cost of pencil is equal to how much? 564 rupees. So you have to add all. So cost of pens how much? 7X plus cost of pencils how much? 324 minus 3X is equal to 564. Okay. Now 7X minus 3X how much? 4X plus 324 equal to 564. So 4X is equal to 564. Here plus 324 is there. Transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus 324. So 4X is equal to 4 minus 4 0. 6 minus 2 4. 5 minus 3 2. So 240. Now X is equal to 240. Here X is 4 is multiplied by X. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. So 240 divided by 4. How many times? 4 6 24 4 0 0. So therefore X is equal to 60. What is X we are taking here? What is X? Number of pens. Okay. So therefore the number of pens equal to 60. Next, the number of pencils. The number of pencils. How many? 108 minus x. That means 108 minus 60. 8, 10 minus 6, 40. So 48. So number of pens he bought 60, number of pencils he bought 48. Okay, ma? Did you understand all of you? Come on, write. Yes, 68. Okay, next question, Seema. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is twice the width. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? So here what is given? Perimeter of a school volleyball court is given 177 feet and the length is twice the width. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? Dimensions means length and breadth. You have to find the length and breadth. So given, what is given? Perimeter of volleyball court equal to how much? 177 feet given. Okay. And next what is given? Length is twice the width. But you know the width, we don't know. So that's why let the width is x. Let the width is x. Then the length is, what is the length? Twice of its width. So what is the width here? X we are taken. Twice means 2x. Okay. Now, by the problem, perimeter of volleyball court, that means it is which shape? Rectangular shape. So perimeter of rectangle formula, what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. What is the perimeter of rectangle given? 177 is equal to 2 into L. What is L? 2x plus B. B means width. What is that? X. So 177 is equal to 2 2's 4x plus 2 into x 2x. 177 4x plus 2x how much? 6x. So x is equal to 177 by 6. Okay, ma'am. So any calculation is there? 6 to 12 is there. Okay, 6 to how much? 12. So how many remain? 57. Is it possible, children? No, it is in the decimal points. See here. 6 to 12. 6 is remaining. Sorry, 5 is remaining. Bring down 7. 6, 7, 56. 1.0. 6, 1, 6, 4, 0. Okay, 6, 3 is 18, 6, 4 is 24, 6, 6, 36. 4, again 6, 6. So it will get 27.1666 will get 27.166 meters. Okay. Meters or feet. Feet, right. So we will get x. What is x here? Length. Length. Okay. So therefore, length equal to how much? 27.166 feet. Sorry, length or breadth? Width. Next, length. Length equal to 2 into 27.166 feet. So how much? 2 6 12, 2 6 12 13, 2 1s 2 3, 2 7s 14, 2 2s 4 5. So 54.332 feet. Okay, right. These are the dimensions of the volleyball. You see the next question mark? The sum of the page numbers on the facing pages of a book is 373. What are the page numbers? You have to find the page numbers given. So what is given? Given sum of page numbers, sum of page numbers on the facing pages of a book is 373. So you have to find those page numbers. So let the page number of open pages are, let the page numbers of open pages are x and x plus 1. X and x plus 1. Okay. Now x plus 1 equal to how many pages? Total pages 373. Now add 2x plus 1 equal to 373. So 2x is equal to 373. Here plus 1 is the transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus 1. So 2x is equal to 372. X equal to 372 by 2. Calculation do. 2 ones 2. 1 is remaining 17. 2 8 16. 1 is remaining 12. 2 6 12. So therefore x is equal to 186. X plus 1 is equal to 186 plus 1. How much? 187. So what are the open page numbers? First one is 186 and the next page number is 187. Okay, common right. Next, exercise 2.33 children. Solve the following equations. Already you done these sums. Again I will explaining. Please listen. 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. So here what is this equation? Here variable and both the sides are there. Both sides variable is there. So you can solve it. How can you solve it? Given 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Okay. You have to bring the variables one side. Okay. 7x. Here plus 2x is there. If you transpose to here, what will become? Minus 2x. Here minus by constant term is there. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Plus 5. So 7x minus 2x, how much? 5x equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Here 5 is multiplied. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. So 5 ones 5. Therefore, x equal to 1. Okay, ma'am? Right. Can you do like that? Exercise 2.3 sums children. So 8th sum I will tell. Remaining sums you can do homework, ma. Three into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. So given 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Okay, now multiple this 3 into t how much? 3t minus 3 is 9. 5 into 2 10t minus 5 ones 5. Now make the variable terms one side and constant one term. Okay, 3t, tm plus 10t is there. If you transpose to here, what will become? Minus 10t minus 5. Here minus 9 is there. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Plus 9. So 3t minus 10t, how much? Minus 70. Minus 5 plus 9, how much? 4. So t is equal to 4. Here minus 7 is there. If you transpose to here, what will become? By 7. So t is equal to how much? 4 by minus 7 is the answer. Okay, ma'am. So remaining sums you can do homework, ma'am. We'll continue the next class. Goodbye.